Hello guys, welcome to Pro Login Sign In. In this video we are going to show you how to sign up Bwin account. First of all, go to the browser, type bwin.com, enter it, click on register now, select your country, enter your email, select your gender, select your first name, select your surname, click on register now, select your country, enter your email address, select your gender, enter your first name, enter your surname, click on continue to step 2, create your user ID, create your password, select any question for your security, select your currency, enter your date of birth, click on continue to step 3. Enter your house number and street name. Enter your postcode. Enter your city. Enter your number, click on create my account, select your deposit method. Your account has been created. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.